Okay, before we move ahead with this, I want to do one little thing that one of my friend commented on yesterday's video to do. You see how Facebook is, the content of Facebook is aligned in the same line, even the footer, because it is contained in a container. Okay, and that's what he suggested us to do too. So that's what we are gonna do. So there's another tag called main. I'm gonna use that, and let's make it down, 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 and down, 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 down. Okay, it would have been easier to just copy it and paste it. Sorry about that. Okay, we're good to go. Now let's just let's make justify content space between. Let's make sure it's at the end. Okay, both of them are, and let's make sure these two are also at the end. Where is it? Section padding left right padding, let's make it 0. Okay, and let's remove this padding also. Okay, and I guess it's good. Let's make this also space between. I don't know, last time it was not working. Let's see if this works this time. Space between, no, it's not working. We have to see why it's not working. Give me a minute. Let's try and give section inside the section ID. Okay, let's give them border 1 pixel solid black. Okay, it is actually, oh, we did that in the last video also. Okay, my bad. Okay, now let's style the main. Okay, main should be let's give padding 0 pixels on the top and bottom, and 100 pixels at left and right. Whoops, I guess this should not do that. Okay, we have to do something like that only. The content is working, but it's inline, but the color are pretty messed up, right? So what are we gonna do? What should we do? Let's see. We can do one thing, like we can add a main here and put the cut and paste here and remove this main. The main should be gone. Next we can add a main here and obviously cut and paste it here, and obviously for the footer also let's remove that cut and paste before the closing tag of footer, and remove the last main. It should have worked, but I'll tell you what happened. Header main. Cool. Actually this should not do. Okay, we are setting the padding again, so let's try and do that at the bottom. Did we save it? Oh, okay. I told you about the um, deepness of selection, right? So header main is more deeply, selected, so that's why. Okay, no issues. We'll give this as, and by the way, let's just remove main only. We don't actually need it. Okay, let's give 100 pixels here padding. Let's remove all the main. There's no main now, and let's add padding of 100 pixels on left and right, and let's give that and footer too. Footer padding. We'll see if we need padding on top and bottom. For now, let's give it's good. Okay, now it's an inline with the content. We can do 150 also if we want. I think it will look good. 150. Let's make this 150 as well. Okay, now let's shrink this down. We'll shrink the width of tagline down. Width 50%. Let's see. Oh, 30%. Whoop. Oh, okay. Space between isn't working still. Let's see if we can sign up, change the width of sign up 50%. Yeah, it's good. Now let's make it 45. Yeah, and let's make this 40. Okay, and let's shrink down this image. Tagline img and width, let's see, 500 pixels. Let's make it 500 and let's see how it okay, let's see, display flex and flex direction column, and justify content, flex start. Does this look good? Okay, let's see, inspect the element. And let's shrink down the, okay, let's make it in percentage only. 10%. What the hell? I guess 100% will do. What do you think? Yeah, I guess 100% is good. But let's just make it 100%. If this does not look good to you, you can experiment with your page. Okay, I'm going with it, and I'm just gonna style this sign up form now. Whew. Okay, let's see the main Facebook page. Okay, we have to increase the size of this. We have to increase the size of this too a little bit, and then style the inputs. Cool. Now let's sign up. That's what, H2 or H1? H2, I guess. Sign up H2. We can make it font size, I don't know, large. Let's try. No. No. Let's just go with 2 rem. No, let's go with 3 rem. It's way too big, man. 2.5. It looks cool. Let's decrease the margin 0. Looks cool. Margin, let's see, let's give 5 pixels of margin at the top. Okay, and 0 at right, 0 at bottom, and minus 10 pixels at left. It looks cool. It looks good to me. Okay, and let's see, let's give that paragraph, where is it? Paragraph. It's quick and easy. Sign up paragraph. Let's see if there's another paragraphs. Yeah, there is another paragraph, and we are gonna style them differently. I hope they have class or ID. Let's just shrink down this. Shrink this down as well. Policies, cool. Create page, cool. They have ID, so we'll style that differently. Now let's see. Font size. Let's go with larger, and margin 0. Margin 0 at top, 0 at left and right, and 10 pixels margin at bottom. Cool. Actually, I'm just gonna give minus 10 pixel at minus 5 pixels. Cool. Actually, let's increase it, make it 15. Yeah, it looks good to me. And let's just style the input boxes. Input. Let's make sign up input. Whoop. Width should be 100 pixels. No, larger than 100 pixels. Let's make it 250 pixels. Less than 250 pixels. Okay, let's see. Let's first, where is it? Let's make this div id equals name input div. Okay, and let's just make width is equal to 100%. Now signup form div width 100%. Why is this? Sign up form div. Okay, let's see. 50% if we type. Okay, let's see. Border 1 pixel solid. There is border. Let's decrease. Let's give margin 0 to everything. Margin also 0 and padding also 0. It's still not coming. Let's see what's the problem. Inspect the element. It's okay till 48. Okay, 48 pixels. Okay, let's make 100 for everything, for every input. Where is it? Yeah, let's make 100 for every input, and for input inside name input div, let's make it width is equal to width equal 48%. Cool. Let's make this div as display flex, display display flex, and justify content equals space between. Let's remove the border. Duh. Where is it? Let's remove the border. Let's make it 50% as well. No, let's keep that 40. Let's make this 98, or maybe experiment with it 99. It's in line. Okay, now if we want to, we can just sign up form div width 90%. We can just experiment with that only. Okay, cool. Now we can play with this. Okay, now we have something called placeholder. Okay, now we can style this placeholder using this. We can tell that I don't know, what should we say? Padding 10 pixels, and let's see, color red, just to make sure it's working. Yeah, it is working. New password, we didn't give that. Okay, password placeholder new password. Yeah, now let's increase the font size to 4 rem. Boy, it's big. We have to obviously increase the height of this too. Height should be, I don't know, 40 pixels. Looks good to me, but let's see. Div margin top and right should be let's give 5 pixel to top and bottom, and cool. Now obviously let's make it 2 rem. Let's make it 1.5 rem. In type equal text and type equals password. Okay, one more thing I wanna do. I wanna, remove this margin and give a common margin to these two. So let's do that now. Let's remove this margin, let's make it 0, and let's let's give minus 5 pixels. I guess it's already really down. Minus 10 pixels. Oh come on, minus 100 pixels. You've gotta go up. Yeah, so minus 10 pixels, I guess. Yeah, it's in line. So let's give a common margin to both of them. Margin top, no, 100 pixels. Let's see. Oh, okay, let's give padding actually. Yeah, so it works fine. So let's just give 20 pixels, or let's give 40 pixels. Yeah, it's good. So now we can style more this, like we can give a border radius. It's here. Oh, okay. First let's give here, and it's separated. Okay, cool. Okay, and let's give a border radius, radius of, I guess, 5 pixels. Yeah, let's give border 1 pixel solid, and I don't know, gray. It's light gray, some. Man, control C, control C, control V. Cool, we got that. Let's see what else. Let's make the, I don't know, let's remove the padding now. No, let's keep the padding 20 pixels. No, not so much. 5 pixels. Okay, it'll do. Let's actually, it looks good to me. It's really similar to that. We'll just increase the margin top, or let's go with margin bottom. Let's go with 10 pixels. No, more, I mean less. 5 pixels. Okay, it's good. It's looking good. It's looking good to me, I guess. And let's, okay, yeah, okay, let's go with it. I guess we have styled our inputs. Now let's move to birthday section, gender, and let's just quickly style these two because it's nothing fancy. We'll just make the, I don't know, policies and create a page, or create page, I don't remember. Policies and create page. Okay, create page, font size small, okay, it's not small. Let's see, 0.9 pixels. 0.9 pixels will go. Okay, it's not selecting, I don't know why. Policies, it's the same. Let's see, sign up form, it should select without that, but I don't know why it's not selecting. Yeah, it did. Okay, let's see, small. Okay, why is not selecting this now? Is it outside the form? Yeah, it's outside the form. Let's go with sign up. Yeah, now let's, links are also similar. Let's make it 0.9 rem. Let's see how. Okay, let's make it smaller. Let's make it 0.5 rem. Let's make the width of the paragraph to be I don't know, 100, not 100, 250 pixels. Let's make it a little bit more, 300 pixels. let's make the font weight to be bold. Let's make margin to be 20 pixels. Let's make it 10. Let's make it 5. Okay, it's good. It's good, but I guess it should be more, you know. Let's copy this again to style the A's. Text decoration none. Yeah, it looks good to me. I'm leaving it. Let's make 10 pixel and 5 pixels. Oops, 5 pixels. Okay, it looks good to me. Now I will just, you know, go ahead and make this a little bigger. Font size 0.8 rem. Yeah, it's good. It looks good to me. Now let's style the sign up button. Actually, it has something shiny type, border, box shadow we can say, but it's inside. So let's see how we'll do that. Let's see. It has a linear gradient type color. If you see, it's not okay, let's start with this. Let's see. What's the button ID? Sign up button. Let's style this. Sign up SIGNUP BTN. Let's give the background image linear gradient to bottom. Let's give the first color to be this one, and the last color to be this one. Okay, let's make the font size to be 2 rem. Let's make color to be I don't know, white, and let's give a border to be solid 1 pixel, solid black. It doesn't look that nice actually. Let's give a color at center also. Yeah, it does look good. I don't know. Width should be 100 pixels. Let's see. Let's go with that. Oh no, Not at all 100 pixels, 200 pixels. Let's go with that. Let's display flex, justify content center, and align items center. Okay, let's give a border radius of 5 pixels, and let's give a box shadow. Inset means it will be inside it. Let's just give 0 pixels on X and 2 pixels white. You don't want it to be blurred. Okay, that's how we give a box shadow. Let's make it 1 pixel. Yeah, that's how we do it. Yo baby, let's make 1.5 rem. No, oh no, let's make 1.8 rem. Yeah, it looks good to me. It's good to me. Looks good to me. Looks good to me. Looks good to me. Yeah. Okay, now we are good to go to next these two. Okay, let's quickly make it label. There are birthday. Okay, div. Then there is, let's give class with label, because there are two, so we are giving it class. Okay, class with label. Okay, now let's give that h3 or something. I don't know. h3. Let's see. h3, no, h4. Let's give him h4. Yeah, it looks good. Let's close this and let's give this also h4. Let's give this also h4, and it looks good. Let's copy the color, obviously pick from web. Let's give this a color. Let's copy this color and let's give this color to that. With label, let's select with label. Color should be, I'm not gonna change the fonts. I'm not gonna change the font size or anything. Let's select the h4 so that it doesn't give color to this. And what else? Okay, I guess we will do little bit more. Dot with label. I guess we'll just select the label and give margin 0 or maybe 2 pixels, and at left and right 10 pixels. It looks good to me. Font size, let's make the font size a little big. Font size little big, I mean 1.2 rem maybe. It's not too big. It looks good to me. Let's make letter spacing -1 pixels. It looks good to me. Let's copy the font color real fast. Yeah, I'm not gonna style that further. I'll just style this a little bit, and we'll be done with our form. Okay, I hope you agree with me. I hope you do. Let's make this a bit smaller, I guess. 83 VH, let's make it 80. Because no, let's make it 78. No, let's make it 77. Okay. Okay. Okay, it's good. It looks good. Yeah, and I don't know. And I don't know what else. Yeah, we're gonna style that selection, right? Select. Okay. Now with label, select dot with label, select. Oops. Select. 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 Let's see. Width. Let's give them 70 pixels. Height, let's give them 20 pixels. It's real less, but okay, let's experiment here only. Inspect, and let's give them a height. Okay, 60 and 32 and 60. Let's give the same border color like we did in the input. Where is it? Input. He. Input. Where did it? Okay, I guess we are done with this too. It looks good to me. If you have any suggestion, please comment down below. I'll make sure I read it. Let's make the pic, I guess we can make bigger. Where is it? Pic. Yeah, image. Let's make it 120 pixels. 20%. 110. Yeah, that's good. Now let's finally style the footer, because there's not much to do. I'll just give margin, top and bottom 40 pixels and 0. Yeah, I'm not gonna do that much here. I'll just the font size 0.9 rem, font color, font color is color. I'll select this one, I guess. Okay, let's see, it's a little dark. A2. Yeah, it's good. We can style the HR also. You can make it a little light. Let's see, footer HR, let's style, I don't know if it's background color or color, we'll just experiment with it. Let's make it white so that it completely vanishes. No, color. Let's see. No, it doesn't work too. So what? Okay, border color. Let's go with that. No, it doesn't work. Let's see, if we give a height 100 pixels. Yeah, border, definitely border 1 pixels solid. Let's go with this only, A2 and let's, why did I delete that? Okay, it got doubled, so let's make 0.1, let's make 0.2, let's make 0.9, let's make 0.5, let's make 0.4. Yeah, and let's give margin top and bottom here only. Margin 30 pixels 0. Whoa. That's way too much. Let's make it 10. Yeah, and we are done. Okay, I guess it's done. It looks very similar to this, except this one and this one, it's just simple A tag and some styling like icons and all. We'll do that in different video, icons. Okay, for now it is done, and I think I will start Node.js and JavaScript. I guess I will start JavaScript fundamental of programming using Node.js. Node.js won't play much role in this, but I'll give a brief introduction. So stay tuned. We'll start that tomorrow, hopefully. Okay, looks really similar, right? Okay, bye bye. Yeah, and share, guys. Please share the video. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.